everyone, welcome to my new vlog where I'll show you my daily routine as a Sapient employee. The first thing I believe every morning is to chase your hobbies. So, one thing in my bucket list was to learn swimming, and here I am oiling my face and my hair so that I can protect my hair from any kind of damages from the swimming pool water. So with this oily and messy look, I am ready to go to my swimming classes because you have to make sure that your skin and you are already prepped up. I'm heading to the pool and I'll also review my swimming classes so that you can also have an idea of how I'm doing, and if you like it, you can probably join too. He is my second coach. His name is Aditya and he is really a good swimmer. You can see that for yourselves. Well, I joined for the beginner session for which I was charged 4K, and this is Swimmers Academy located at Mahadevapura, Bangalore. And here is my coach Mahesh, and he has really taught me well, as you'll get to see that in the video later. And if you like this, you can also go check out and take a demo class so that if you want to join. Want to say something, coach?
Nothing, learn swimming first.
Learn swimming too. What is the academy's name?
Swimmers Academy.
Swimmers Academy. And your name?
Mahesh.
Time for the reveal. This is me who learned. Actually, it was a 14-day session and I only could learn for 11 days. But look at me. I am proud of myself. In 11 days, I was able to do this much. Yay. Honestly, I was really happy after doing this much as I was able to tick off something from my bucket list, and maybe I'll learn more in other intermediate or advanced session. So stay tuned till then. And one of my friend also wanted to come to a swimming session, though he already knows how to swim, like he learned it in a well. I don't know how do they do that, but here he was showing me his skills of the swimming. So just look at that. Pretty great, right? That all the boys have the skill of learning it from the well. I hope girls could do that. So then we didn't had to pay for the swimming sessions. Even my coach Mahesh also learned it from a well, and he was able to identify that this guy learned it from a well. So they were having all of this convos. Post my session, I first come to the PG and quickly wash my clothes and get ready for my office. I was running late, so I couldn't record the getting ready process and having breakfast. So I just quickly came to the office, and here you can see me start my day with some stand-up calls and some pending works that I do quickly before my stand-up call to present that. And once I'm done with my break, I go meet my friends. So post lunch, I went to meet these guys for ice cream. And this is the short glimpse of the cafeteria that we have downstairs. We have a lot of variety here. Shilpa, say hi. Hi. Ma Satyanna shy helpoyadu. His space is empty. He's gonna kill me after this. And then we came for a short walk, and I thought I should give you a little bit tour of my office surroundings. In front of that cute little red house, it's actually the Toy Restaurant. We never went there though. Maybe sometime once we'll go there. It's kind of a bistro. And we have a lot of beautiful plants, and the environment is really good. I think you should enjoy this site probably. Post work, I was a bit free, so I went and sat with my friends.
कल्याणजी मिश्रा जी हाय बोलिए
Hi there. CP.
हाय तो बोलो.
Satyana, hi to bolo.
Hi.
After a fun day, it's already time to go back to my PG and then get prepped up for my next schedule. So stay tuned of what are we gonna do next. It was already 5 in the evening And by the time I reached my PG, it was 5:30 as I bought some milkshake on the way as well. I reached and I'm really tired, but we have to go to Rohit's birthday party. He's giving us treat today. Now I don't have any Hopika. Hopika is matlab patience. Nahi hai, thakega. Bye bye. After a short nap, I got ready and I was waiting for my friends so that once they come to my PG, we all will start for the restaurant. Siri, say hi. Hi. Dinesh, say hi. 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 Come. And today we are at Chef Pillai's and slowly we'll give you... Fan cam? Yeah, this is my fan cam. So we'll give you some good feedback maybe, and all of these people are all Telugu people, so based upon them we'll give you a good feedback. Bye bye. So here's the birthday boy, Mr. Rohit, and we are at Chef Pillai. And I actually thought that I would also make a vlog reviewing that food, but we were so hungry and the food was so good. We actually ended up finishing it without taking any video. But the restaurant had a cozy ambience, so I would definitely recommend, if you have to try some good Malayali kind of cuisine, you have to definitely come here to Chef Pillai, which is also opposite to the Phoenix Market City. And finally, after a long day, I am almost near to my PG and this lake view was breathtaking, so I just thought I'll record this too. And now I'll head back to my PG. And if you like this video and also wanted to know anything more about Bangalore, please comment and also make sure you like, share and subscribe.